This is an alert for the following states of Minnesota, Texas, New Mexico, Alaska, Tennessee and Kentucky. There had been reports of a strange entity of unknown origin breaking into homes at any time at night, then eats the victim and leaves behind the severed head on the bed. Witnesses described that the entity was a tall figure with red eyes, a mouth that blends with the figure's color with long limbs. To stay safe, lock all doors and windows, cover your windows, turn off all lights, do not make any noise. If you hear the entity inside of your house, stay as quiet as you can and do not move from your hiding place. Make sure to hide all family members that are in your home. This concludes our broadcast for tonight. Stay safe and stay alive.